our friends that started doing the Herbalife Nutrition business, we saw them have the time, the freedom to not have to go to work every day.
The number one thing for us was being able to be with our kids the day we had a family.
Everything starts with a customer. That's the way we like to do it. Having customers first and then transition them to a distributor is a lot easier.
They understand how the products work and they're able to talk from experience to their customers. It's been priceless to see all the changes in our customers, how now they're just happier because they have applied a lifestyle change. They're healthier, they're going about their life with a much positive attitude.
Social media has definitely impacted our business in a big way.
It lets us be ourselves. It lets us show them how we do the business, how we take the products, how we have changed, and just building that relationship with them.
Mainly it's by giving them confidence. It makes them feel like they're part of the family.
It's so rewarding for us to be able to see them change their lifestyle, change their body, be happier. Herbalife Nutrition, it's our job, it's our everyday, but it's much more than that. It's been life-changing for us.